In front of me is TECNO Spark 20p, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. All you need to do is go into Settings and scroll to hit Privacy. Then hit App Permissions. Select any of your device's features to manage and tap on an app you wish to manage. I will go with Camera to manage my Chrome. Now apply one of those options by clicking on the best one for you and go back. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first option, so when I go back, I can start Chrome just gained access to this device's camera if I'm using my browser. But you can also select any feature just to find an app you are interested in. Tap on this app, and instead of selecting any of those options, scroll all the way down to hit See All Permissions and manage all of those only for chosen app, the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!